Look at McKinsey's business system, which is technology, manufacturing, distribution, marketing, service. These are the items you put. Later on, we will start categorizing cost like this. That's not really a technique, but it is different from what straightforward accounting methodology is. And then you look at activity-based costing, you look at function-based costing, and then you say where I can save compared to something else, right? So when I'm in a business like this, in my technology cost, in my manufacturing cost, my distribution cost, my marketing cost, my service cost, how will I? So Dell took this idea saying, why do we need to have so many brands? Let me manufacture in Malaysia, ABCD, wherever is cheapest. Give the idea that I will do customization, which he never does. Give the idea that services on a phone call and all that, which never comes. But till he can succeed, he succeeds. Right? Brand, get. Why? Because this has become commodity. This has become commodity. And for the differentiated stuff, you get something. And this is where your third element is there. What is the broad strategy? Is it cost strategy or it's differentiation strategy? Or it's focus? Which is what is criticized and finally by the Ocean fellows. Saying that this is not even good to look at. So differentiation analysis, friend, is therefore experience curve recognized as relevant only to commodity industries. Competitive analysis refocused on differentiation. And just a thought we will change right now. And the value chain which emerges in current form. Now value chain meaning if this is a value chain also of this particular industry. Now what value is either extracted or contributed by different parts of the industry. Basically, it is related to your primary activities and your support activities, and what are the cost elements in an internet startup. Okay, since some of you would probably want to do that. Except to say that I have spent time, somebody has spent time in plugging, in so that when you're looking at it, should I do it, not do it? Somebody who's there, is he going to be succeeding or not succeeding? If we say that, okay, these are the costs, right? This is the book. So one strategy therefore is reduce the cost, talk about cost. Dell, I'll sell you cheaper than Compaq or somebody, right? Second is differentiation. Math, I will sell you something which is really suited to your needs. Now, this is what Porter calls generic strategies. Since for 3-4 decades we've been talking about it, I want you to reflect on it. So he says that basically there are 3 strategies only: differentiation, overall cost leadership, focus. This less cost and differentiation are mutually exclusive. Dual advantages are rare. Let's think of good industry. How are the HCL and the likes position? HCL. Okay. Anybody on differentiation?
They provide you with customized products. You go to them, ask them what you want.
So there's differentiation also. This is where we go by marketing metaphors without understanding at all and without going to the etymology of the words. Each one of the good brands has an etymology. If it was 10 raised to power minus 9, this would be power minus 0. Right? And therefore, it would be very right. Yes, this is the phenomena. This is what the Americans and the others have been saying, it's a joy. Right? And therefore, it will not have a good standing. They've done a lot of research and came up with this name. Should I give you a hint? It's not at all what you think. It is to make Mr. Modi happy. Now tell me what it is. Nano. It is not nano. Nano. Anyone with a Gujarati background? Nano. And if you have to look at a friend who belongs to Gujarat in India to figure out what the brand name is, right? While we know very well what the brand name in the US and all that mean, where they come from, where does Macintosh come from, something else. But anyway, let's ask him. हमारी तो ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे को पंजाबी वाली बात होगी तो बोलोगे यहाँ पे कोई पंजाबी भी नहीं देखेंगे, सिख को देखेंगे, वो समझाएगा। नानो का मतलब गुजराती से small, छोटा, yes, but in which way? In which way? After brands don't come just in terms of small, छोटा। छोटे बहन भाई को क्या बोलते हैं? नानो भाई। Now you see, Gujarati can understand. But I have raised this question in Gujarat. And they also said 10 raised to power minus 9. No, sir, it is nano as you say to your chota minus chota man. And nano, in this case, is supposed to be choti man. Good, and nice, lovely, smile, right? You are making electrical mess up. Anyway, so this is therefore focus. You see, you're focusing that nano is going to be choti, moni, achi, katti. वो बाद में जब advertisement करेंगे, hopefully they will catch on to it. Their ad agency will catch on to it. ये regular का नाम उन्होंने रखा है। So focus is a third strategy, right? This is actually an example of focus. I'm not differentiating my vehicle from somebody else because this kind of vehicle does not exist. Now, Bajaj when it positions its vehicle, will say, I've been making these three-wheelers all the time, which the Tata never made. This is damn three-wheeler methodology, only उसको आपने मेरे से दबा रखा है. तो मैं वो करूँगा ताकि करूँ. Then we talk about the competitive strategy. So on one hand, therefore, we have strategic target. We have the strategic advantage. We can look at industry-wide. You can look at particular segments within that. You can look at your low-cost position and overall cost leadership. Uniqueness perceived by the customer, differentiation, and then the focus. Yes, next one, please. Now I have to, looking at the time, quickly brush through unless you want to stop somewhere. How we look at cost in different aspects of our operation is important. And simple things to very complex things. If I am shaving something off at each level, in other words, in terms of the value addition chain, value addition because of better logistics, better manufacturing, better R&D, better marketing, little bit, then my profitability is better than anybody else. Now, if it is 2% better than anybody else, over a period of time, I want to keep it. Either for the research and development or for coming up with a buying marketing campaign and so on, some other guys. And